So today I'm giving you 4 powerful tips on how to make him regret ever playing you. He thought he played you? No. Sis, if you write these tips down and make use of it, it's going to help you. It helped me, so that's why I'm sharing with you guys. Of course, you know this channel is all about self-improvement, tips, facts, and moments with humor. So let's get into it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below. Tip number 1 on how to make him regret ever playing you. Do not show any emotion. When I say don't show any emotion, maybe you are a social media type, you like Instagram and all that, you're always there, and he follows you on Instagram. Don't go out there shouting, talking about him, writing everywhere on your stories, on your status, on your page, posting about him, talking. No, sis, you have to get your power back immediately. Don't go ranting, don't go talking about him. He will think he's powerful, he will think he's winning. No, don't show no emotion. Take your power back. Don't go on social media typing. Don't go talking to the friends about him. Don't go talking to your friends about him. Stop talking about him. Move on. This is past. Don't show no emotion. Honestly, if you ever make a guy, if you go talking about a guy on social media, or talking to your friends about him, or talking to your family, his own friends about him, it will make him feel powerful. Some of these guys don't care. Once they break your heart, they move on immediately. So you have to move on immediately. Don't go down there crying. Do people still cry in this generation after breakup? Hell no. No. Stop crying. Don't even if you want to cry inside your room, make sure it's inside your room. Cry inside your room. Clean your tears. Go, move on. It's past. It's gone. Don't let it bother you. Don't be depressed. I heard some people saying, "Oh, I'm depressed because a guy broke their heart." What? Don't do that. So that's my tip number 1. Don't show no emotion. Take your power back immediately. Clean your eyes if you cry. Don't even cry. I don't advise that. Don't cry for a nigga. Don't cry for a guy. After a breakup, why should you cry? Don't even do that. So that's my tip number 1. Make sure you're writing these tips down. Show no emotion. Show no emotion. Don't type on social media about it. Even if you want to post pictures about yourself, post about yourself. Do it like nothing has happened. Move on like nothing has happened immediately. So that's my tip number 1. Show no emotion. So tip number 2 on how to make him regret ever playing you. Go outside. Sis, go outside. When I mean go outside, I mean go outside. Dress up. Go outside with your friends. Stop playing that sad music inside your room. It's annoying. That music will get you crying every now and then. Stop playing that annoying music. Stop playing that sad music. Nobody died. It's just a breakup, right? So go outside. If you want to go to the lounge, go to the lounge with your friends. Take pictures. Dress code. Take pictures. Take pictures. Go with your friends. Post it on Instagram. Post it on all your social media platforms. Post it there. Smile. Laugh. Make videos. If you want to go to the park, go to the park. If you want to go to the beach, go to the beach. Someone like me, I always go to the lounge just to look at the people coming in. When I look at people walking inside, I don't even remember anything happened to me. So go wherever you want to go. Have some good time with your friends. Go outside. Don't stay inside crying for nobody. This person you're crying with might be with another woman the moment you're crying out. So don't even do that. Of course, you already know. I want my girls to go out there, killing it, not crying over a nigga inside the house. Don't even do that, please. Dress up, go outside, have some fun, order for chicken, whatever you want to order, place an order, spend your money on yourself. Drink cocktails, drink juice, whatever it is you want to drink it, and look happy, of course. That's my tip number 2 on how to make him regret ever playing you. So let's go to tip number 3 on how to make him regret ever playing you. Tip number 3. You know, of course, I always remind you as a boss-ass lady to upgrade yourself based on education, right? So tip number 3 is register for a course. When I say register for a course, I mean learn something new. I don't like online courses. I like to go for physical class. Yeah. So, and when you go for physical class, you get to meet friends, make new friends, meet people. I mean, you don't get to just be online, looking at your camera, looking at your computer, learning online. Someone like me, I will advise you, because I do that, I will advise you go outside and register for a course, maybe a nearby school or something, register for a course. And but if you're good with online, if you can actually cope with the online course, yeah, there are some online courses that you get to meet new friends. So register for a course online and upgrade your life, because I always advise my girls to upgrade your life. Upgrade your life, learn something new, learn a new skill. You know, when you learn something new, you upgrade your life. That person that even break your heart, when you upgrade your life and you find you realize that your level of thinking is not different from what you used to be before, you might even see that person as shit, a piece of shit. Honestly, anytime I'm done with someone and I move on with my life, I always ask myself, what was I doing with these people? Huh? Like, seriously, me? What was I doing with these people? How dare me? This, let me not use harsh words, but I always look at myself like, at this point in my life, what was I doing with this? You know, I upgrade my life, I read. I told you guys I read a lot. So I study very hard to upgrade my life and push myself to the next level, so that when the next person is coming into my life, I'll have something to present, I'll have something to offer, right? So register for a course, online, physical, anyone that works for you. Go out there, meet new friends, and be happy. Upgrade yourself, not just upgrading yourself physically and just looking good. No. Upgrade yourself by learning something new. Learn something new. It might be makeup, it might be cooking, it might be tech, it might be accounting, Excel. You know, some of these things are very, very important. So you have to leave that nigger and move on with your life. Go and register for a course. That's my tip number 3 on how to make him regret ever playing you. Go. I hope you're writing these tips down. So let's go to the final tip, which is the tip number 4 on how to make him regret ever playing you. Tip number 4. Look your best everywhere you go. When I say look your best, I mean from your hair to your toe. Go dress well. You don't even know, maybe it's someone that you date, the person you dated was living in your estate. Go, even if you're going to the nearby supermarket, dress good, spray that expensive perfume on your body, learn to do your own makeup. Yeah, you can register for a course and someone will just put you through on that, or just watch YouTube. You'll see some videos on how to start your makeup if you don't know how to do your makeup. Look good always. Don't go out there looking as if you're suffering. There's this saying that goes this way. Whenever you see after a breakup and when you see someone not well dressed, not dressed so good, you automatically think they're not doing well. So don't let him think you're not doing well. Go dress good. Your jewelries, upgrade it. Wear new outfits. Dress well. Do your makeup. Effort. You know what I'm saying? Put that effort on yourself. Don't make him see you and start thinking, oh, she's not doing well. You know, when they see you and they think you're not doing well, honestly, that's the most painful part of breakup. Upgrade immediately. Take your power back immediately. Don't even waste time. Don't even wait for no nigga. You know what I'm saying? Don't go inside crying. I've said this before, and I'm going to say it again. Don't go inside crying for breakup. Honestly, you're going to regret it. I always regret ever crying for a breakup. I did that, I think when I was 16 or something, and that was the last time I cried over a breakup. Honestly, I'm being sincere with you guys. That was the last time I cried over a breakup. So you dare not cry over a breakup. Over a nigga. Don't do that. Don't do that, please. So I hope these are all the tips. The tips worked for me. They worked for me. So don't mind the sound. These tips worked for me, so that's what I'm sharing with you guys. And I hope I'm very, very sure if you use these tips, it's going to be a life changing for you. They worked for me. Register for a course and dress well. Honestly, this nigga is going to regret ever playing you, ever. And let me give you a bonus. Whenever these people try to come back into your life after you've upgraded, honestly, run. Don't even stay there. Don't even answer them. If you keep answering these people, remember, these are setbacks. They're going to draw you back, and they're going to do the same thing they did before. Once a beater is always a beater. Once a woman beater is always a woman beater. You get me? So don't even listen to them. Don't answer them. After you've upgraded your life, move on to the next level. Okay? So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment below, and subscribe. And I'm very sure I'll be giving you guys these tips every now and then. So I hope I've made my point clear. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. See you on my next video.